everyone, for today's video, I will be teaching you how you can change app icons on your phone. First step, open shortcuts on your phone, but if you don't have this yet, you can go to App Store and simply download shortcuts. However, before we proceed into creating a shortcut to change the app icon, you first have to go to Google. Here, search for the app icon that you want to use. For example, I'll change the app icon of Messenger, so I simply searched for app icon Messenger. Now, once you see the icon that you want to use, simply long press it and press Save to Photos. If you like, you can also search Aesthetic App Icon Messenger to see other options that may fit your likes. Once you've chosen the new app icon that you want to use, just go back to Shortcuts. Then here, press the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. It will lead you to this page where you have to press Open App under Next Action Suggestions. Then press the app button beside Open and then look for Messenger. Once you've located and pressed Messenger, just press Done. Then you'll see the shortcut you created at the home page. Press the three buttons and at the bottom panel, you'll see the share icon. Press this and then look for the Add to Home Screen option. Once you press Add to Home Screen, just press the icon and click Choose Photo. Here, just click the photo that you downloaded from Google, press Add, and then press Done. Once you go back to your home page, you'll see the new app icon that you created. To rename the app, just go back to Shortcuts, press the three buttons, and then press the name at the top part of your screen. Here you'll see the option to rename the shortcut that you created. And that's how you can change app icons on your phone. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.